Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome. So, yes, good morning. Today is 7 o'clock. We've got GJ looking interesting. What the fuck happened before here? Wow, 3 a.m.
There's like some news or something at
JPY.
the time.
Yeah, I
There's
remember
more.
seeing.
There's more right now. It's only yellow folder, but it's been playing out.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Policy
Maybe it's at
rate.
9:30.
9:30. Yeah, some members speaking. JPY, you still got some news to come, so that's gonna be interesting. It's going to be interesting for us, I have a feeling. So, yeah, let's take a look here. Yeah, news candle. Let me just move this on over here. So, I'm just going to put this on there. Yeah, looking like a big ass news candle came out. Interesting. Let's take a look then. So, the daily time frame yesterday actually closed bullish. We took buys NY session. Which we were so unlucky for the runners, to be honest. But I mean, we took our piece of cake and we were fine with it. Where do we take our buys? Yeah, we took our buys here. Yeah, here. We took our buys here on the flip. Continue bullish. We looked to the left and we wanted to aim for right around 163, which is the left hand side. We continued up over here. We got our 11 pips, 10 pips. Price came, tapped us out by 1 pip, and then continued all the way. So, but we still got our 10 pips at 8%, which is nice. But yeah, very close to getting that 40 pips over here. Okay, so yeah, daily time frame, very nice. Let's do it over here. We've retraced all the way up. It's mad how much this has moved recently. We went all the way down to like 160, and now we're all the way back up. Damn. Let's put this down a little bit further. There we go. Okay, so the daily time frame was bullish. It's pushed, and has it broken the high of the previous already? Yep, sure has. Now the 4-hour time frame is relaxing a little bit over here. Got a nice wick to fill later on, to be fair. Let me just put on this Asian indicator. Asian indicator on. Okay, so yeah, 4 hours bearish right now, but it's looking okay. Right, 30-minute, 15-minute. The first thing that I can see for really is that price as a whole is ranging a little bit, right? For me personally, I have a feeling this is ranging. The actual distance in the Asian highs and Asian lows is pretty big. For me, I have a feeling that the support level is quite hard, but I have a feeling it's right on 64539. That's where price pushed up, we made some support, and now I've held this right here. Okay, the 30-minute time frames are causing a little bit of resistance. 30-minute closed a little bit below its support, which is nice. Hourlies have closed bearish. Interesting. The hourly right now is breaking the low of the previous. So I mean, yeah, let's take a look then. So how much would you get in if you got in here? How big are the stops? 16 pips. Yeah, I'm trying to think of where I'd want the sells, because the sells here, I think below 164,500 would be okay. Potentially back down to 164,137. Yeah. And with that matchup over here, let's take a look. That's 137 here. Yeah. That's probably okay. Yeah. So that's where I'd look for sells. Below the support over here. And then I have a feeling buys could be okay as well. I think buys will be okay, and I think they'll be okay above our little bit of support we've got right now. Okay, so it would be above 164,923. So it's in this very small range, but I think we could be okay. I prefer buys, to be honest, because we've rejected the lows. If I can't get a nice entry on the sells, then I've got to wait for the buys later on, because this This support over here is only a minor one, and to the next level, you know, the zone's big enough actually, to be fair. It's just that I have a feeling it'll be the support forming, then continue. Where could a support form? Well, it could form at 164, 380, and it could do it at 164, 146 as well. Yeah. So we'll have to see, right? So yeah, GJ's coming down now, and we'll have to see. But beautiful, very, very nice for it. Oh yeah, let me just move something here as well. So yeah, that's my GJ over here. But I'm not too bothered for it right now because, as we said, there's JPY news coming out. So that'll give it a bit of volatility. So I'm not too bothered about it right now, right? Any thoughts on the low spread pair? HKD JPY? I have no idea what that pair is, my man. Your audio cuts for less than a second after every 3 seconds. Is that true, guys? Is that true?
Nah, not for us.
Okay, so Goldie over here. Someone says audio is fine. Okay, so guys, just lying over here. So Goldie's coming back. Oh my god, look at my arrows. Can I get rid of that now? Because it's kind of distracting. History. The arrows are rather annoying. There must be a button to click. Let me just take a look. See. Why can't I right click anything? Oh, there we go. Oh, I have no idea. Anyway, daily time frame over here retraced all the way back up, which is nice. Rejected the lows at 1808, which is what I expected price to continue to this week, which is nice. It's done that. You caught GJ? Well, right now to the lows. So yeah. I think GJ over here, nice daily candle. Gold over here. It's got no top wick yet, so the probability it's going to make one today is pretty good. So very, very bullish in my eyes already. Go to paper trade and log out of it.
There should be a history symbol there somewhere, man, that you can remove history, like trade history, like on our terminal.
Yeah.
I just can't remember where it was. I also did it once, but I just, for the life of me, there is
I
a
can just
button
reset it. I can reset it, and then it should go away. Oh, nope, it hasn't. Great. I don't know. Oh shit. Okay, so yeah, the daily timer has no top wick, which is very, very nice for us. Very, very nice from us. Okay, so the 4-hour time frame right now. The last one's closed weak bearish. What does this mean? It means like support may be forming soon, which is good to see. Okay, the 4-hour time frame right now bullish. Still look at the hourly time frame. Hourly is bullish as well, continuing up. Very, very nice. The 30-minute and the 15 not looking too good at the moment, but for me this is the level of support right now. 1842.19. Bro, it's literally written in the red. Look at it. There we go. Okay. Beautiful. Thank you very much, squad. Okay, so this is the support right now. Right now we do have a little minor resistance here at 1847, which makes sense because we've got a support here. Resistance there, resistance there. So this is the key level of support. So for me here, buys above there would be looking nice. And then I'm also going to correlate that with the 5-minute entries to see where we could potentially get in. So there's 5-minute entries. We've done like 4, I think, this week. Four called and maybe 3 called and 4. One of them wasn't called. All winners. Very, very nice. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So let me just move this over here. Okay, let me just take a look here as well. Reset chart. Code GJ on that flip down to 529. Yeah, I saw that. Nice. Let's take a look on the 5-minute. Suppose it gave you a nice top wick on the Well, you got in at down to 529. Fucking hell, you got in very, very late. Yeah, that's nice, man. Nice little quick one. Giveaway to start the stream properly, then one at the end, or only both at the end? I'm just gonna do one at the end, I think, maybe. Maybe. So yeah, we'll see how GJ falls over here. I mean, in the next 3 minutes, we're gonna be closing. Look at the 5-minute time frame. So if you got in on the flip, stop loss above 12.8 pips was okay.
I also got in and I used a 12 pip stop on the 5.
On the 5.
5. You can see your chart.
Yeah.
Fuck! It was so early. I got the second one, but I got break even.
So I got the retest of the M neckline.
Yeah, you fucker. I was on this one.
Yeah.
I got the
Then
same
got break
as
even. Yeah.
When break even, now it's dropping.
Little shit. That's what happens after
30
this.
pips. 30 pips for breakfast, boys.
Oh,
Half.
shut up.
Shut up. Okay.
Yeah, that was nice.
I saw it happening as well. Just one candle too late. Fuck.
That was a nice, yeah. Because you could have had your stops above there. Oh.
Just above the, like on the res, because it was
Yeah.
12. Like already pushing it for me.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice, man. Let's take a look here. Beautiful. Get into them early buys, squad. Nice. So, I mean, let's take a look at the 4 hour. I don't know if I trust the sells for a very, very long time, though. That's the issue. I think they're very short, elastic sells. Yeah. Look at the 5-minute. I think we could continue that down a little bit further, but I don't know if I like the 4 hour, because the 4 hour is just retesting. Could retest it here, which is it's only 17 pips away. Yeah, it's a good level that I could react off. Yeah. No. So
A bit more.
huh?
That one there.
Well,
that would be more my area.
yeah, that's true.
Because when we broke up, we're breaking past this liquidity.
Yeah, 100%.
So I'd be going for if we get down to this line. Oh shit, I said this wrong. Yeah, if we touch that, then
Yeah.
we could get a trace from there.
And you've got that.
Yeah,
So
that's what I was
again,
thinking.
it
This
becomes
whole area.
it becomes now a demand zone, right, for a retest to go back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you see that gold? And touch that wick. On the 5. See this one.
Oh
Let's
yeah.
smack
So yeah, I'm waiting for these gold buys, man. I'm not gonna lie. The daily's got no top wick. The 4 hours are retracing. The last 4 hour close very weak, bearish. If it breaks that 4 hour high, man, we're going up. That's probably what I'm gonna focus on. Do these guys shout out if they lose as well? Like Little Friday joke, do not take it seriously. No, they'll be quiet when they don't take any trades.
We just said Sachin and I just said we had a break.
Exactly,
So,
exactly. Guys, pay attention, man.
that's the thing. There's a big difference between breaking even and losing all the time.
Yeah.
I'd rather take 5 break evens than 1 loss.
Yeah, me too. Makes things
So
a
we
little
get
bit easier.
even quite a lot. We just tell it. So
Yeah.
there's no shame in it.
No, we like break evens, but takes a risk off the table. It's nice. So the daily time frame on AJ over here pushing upwards. It's actually broken the high of the previous already. The 4-hour time frame, very, very bullish candle. This one's making a low wick, which is nice. Let me just. Yeah. So. What the fuck? Oh my god. So yeah, 30-minute time frame continuing down. In fact, I had a nice little retrace over here. Had that big new spike as well. Let's take a look at the 5-minute, 15-minute. Yeah. So marking up my zones on AJ. How do I want them to look? I hate these little candles here because they're so weak. It's kind of like a very low level of support. But anyway, it can still hold. So look at the 30-minute. How does this look? Yeah, it's probably okay. I mean, there's clean candles to the left hand side as well, but my issue is that my overall bias on AG is pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. Maybe some support to form. I mean, however, let's take a look at the 15 again. Yeah, let me actually move this down, actually below here. Because if it gets sells below 93,701, we could continue down to 93, 450, 500, that kind of level. Yeah, that'd be kind of nice. The zone's big enough. That looks pretty decent. Yeah, that's pretty decent, I think. So that's probably what I'm gonna look for over here. So I mean, so far this week, guys, we've had no trades in London, but every trade's been in NY, and we've taken how many trades have we taken? Yeah, the Aussie boys yesterday couldn't catch the gold trade because it was later on. They were in bed, sleeping, snoozing.
Sleeping.
Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4 trades. That AJ one should have been a winner, so it was nearly 100% win rate. Nice. So just chipping away, chipping away. So this week so far. Yeah, 2.3%. I'm quite happy with that. 2.4%. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, Goldie, I'm really looking forward to these buys over here. I'm not gonna lie, because the daily's got no top wick, so the probability that we make the daily top wick over here is pretty high. So yeah, does anyone have a gold a 5-minute trend line on? For me, there's a lot of areas to put it on. It's not very simple. Does anyone have them on? See, look. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm trying to find where the trend line on the 5-minute would be, and it's kind of already broken it, like around here, I think. Kinda hard. So I have to just wait for the 15 closure. Above the area. JPY is tentative news, so be careful with all Japanese pairs. Yeah, I agree. That's kind of what put me off the gold GG right here, because it looked like news is still going to come out. Tentative, yeah. Tentative. Just for Max, since you're Vietnamese, what's your trade on USD Vietnamese pair? What does that chart even look like, man? What does that chart even look like? Make sure to come and like and subscribe, squad, as well. So yeah, it's my birthday in 2 days. I'm gonna be vibing. Vibing.
Huh? Your birthday soon?
Yeah, on Sunday.
Gemini baby.
Oh yeah.
Gemini gang. What are you doing?
Going to see my lass in Leeds.
Nice.
We're going
It's gonna
to
be hot this weekend.
Yeah, we're going to some restaurant. It's like all you can eat. All you can eat Chinese food, but it's like you can order it from a tablet and shit, and it all comes over. I don't know what it's called. Forgot the name of it, but it looks pretty fire.
Yeah, right, yeah.
So excited for that.
And then out on the piss, I guess.
Yeah, I don't know. I might have a chill one, to be honest. Yeah.
That's what you say now, boy.
Nah. My lass isn't like that. Caitlin doesn't really go out much. Well, she goes out with her friends. But
Sniff of that Jaeger bomb.
she goes out with her friends, but she doesn't go out with me, man. She thinks I'm embarrassing.
You say your missus thinks you're embarrassing.
Yeah.
That's not good.
I'll be fucking. Nah, I'm joking. She just. We like relaxing nights normally at home, but if we're on nights out, it's with the squad. Me and her don't really go out much, as in just us two and nights out. Like fuck that. We'll go for drinks and cocktails and stuff. We won't go fucking clubbing.
It's when you hit that dance floor, boy. She's out.
So am I. So it's all good. Pipe and slippers can't beat it. 5 minute over here closed on Goldie. Yeah, this is looking kind of nice. What's GJ doing? Yeah, GJ's sticking in that area. That was a nice top wick actually on the 7 o'clock. That wasn't too bad. 1847.3. Yes. So where would the targets be? You always have to look to the left hand side. So you know the targets would be on the 50-minute resistance. So probably around here, 1851 would be nice. That'd be kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna look for today. God, I wish I held that fucking AJ trade now. That'd be a nice 100% win rate for the week. GJ fucking pussied me out of it. Hey, I tell you what, looking back yesterday on that GJ trade, how unlucky were we for that continuation, man? Fucking hell.
I was pretty pissed off.
Yeah, me too, man. I'm used to it.
It's those silly little like mishaps that you lose, right? You don't get everything from it.
Yeah.
I was pretty bleak. I won't lie.
Yeah, it's painful, isn't it? It's very, very painful. So if this 5 minute candle closes above over here, how much would my stops be? 24 pips, kind of beefy. 6 minutes left of this 15. We'll see though, because this 15 may run off without me, and I don't want that. So look at gold, GJ, yeah, GJ and AJ are chilling. They've moved quite a lot this week. It wouldn't surprise if GJ starts ranging today.
Yeah, it could very possibly be.
It's fucking ran so much this week. So yeah, we'll see. And let me put this on as well. I'll see how this 5 minute closes, and then I might take the 5 minute if it's strong enough. Let me get my magic keys on this bitch. There you go. So coming towards Goldie breaking 15-minute highs, which would be nice. Which would be good. It may happen a little bit later on. We'll see. But yeah, how many pits you have as stop loss on gold? 12 to 15. Yeah. Sometimes a bit more if needed, but yeah, only like 15, 16, I'd say. Yeah. could be the closure in the 5. It's very weak though, and there's a lot of wicks. So if yeah, it's like how do you put it on over here? It could be there. And that's only 1-2 touches. GJ's taking a nap right now. Yeah, it doesn't surprise me, man. It's been moving a lot. It's been moving a lot. So, end of the week, guys. End of the week. What do you guys think of the week so far? Let's rate it. Let's rate it in a poll over here.
Fucking crazy.
It was very crazy.
Yeah.
So let's just do in ratings. Ratings of like how profitable you were. So I know. Let's do 0. Let's do negative. Break even. And positive. There you go. How interest rates are going to impact gold and USD? What do you mean interest rates? From yesterday? Well, you saw what happened, right? Very, very bad numbers came. I mean, it wasn't interest rates. Very, very bad numbers came out yesterday. Gold buys played out nicely. Also, GJ. I'm not gonna lie, guys. If you wanted to trade news, I wouldn't trade gold news. I'd trade GJ news because GJ news is very, very simple. It's very obvious, and when GJ goes, it goes. It doesn't wick back and then flip the other way and then fucking launch 100 pips like gold does. GJ just runs and runs and runs. So yeah, the sells on this was kind of nice, and it was actually resistance forming as well. Raja took them, I saw, which is nice to see. Yeah. I mean, if interest rates are high, is it bad or good for gold? That's good for gold because consumer confidence is down. Is there any specific reason why you trade GPY pairs in gold? I learned from Raja, and that's all he did, so I don't need to change it. I'm way too hungover. Someone's hanging out their ass. GPB news was great, had both sell stops and buy stops. Only sells got activated 50 pips in a few seconds. So did your position get slipped? How much did it get slipped by? And how much was your stop? Yeah, I want to see how much the slip is on GJ, because I think it'd be okay, not as bad as gold. Just take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, they'll be breaking 4 hour highs, man. The daily's got no top wick. It's beautiful. Same kind of thing here that me and Brian said recently as well. It's kind of it's nearly a double bottom kind of thing. Coming back up, support. Always like that. I like seeing that a lot. Treble bottom, to be honest. Little head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders.
Big shampoo pattern.
Yeah. Big shampoo pattern. Yeah, I was speaking to my dad last night about inflation and stuff and interest rates. He said in the 70s, I think he said in the 70s, the 80s, interest rates were like 15%. I'm like, oh my god, 15%! Holy shit, that is pretty astronomical. Okay, we've closed over here. 5 minutes closed, nice and solid. If it makes a nice low wick, I may try and get in on the break of the highs. 1849, 45.96 would be the stop. Yeah. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah. Want to push down a little bit further, then I'm going to take the break at the high, which would be 47.28. Okay. Let me just get rid of this. If it breaks this 5-minute low, then it isn't ready, right? So I've got a buy stop right now above this candle over here. But if we do break this 5-minute low, then I'm just going to wait a little longer for another closure. There we go. Broke the lows. So I'm definitely going to wait a little longer. Beautiful. Let me just delete that buy stop for me as well. Nice. So, still holding that resistance. I think the 15 and the 30 is going to rip up eventually. 30-minute time frame retraced all the way back down though, damn. Please, good old GJ, give us a closure. I'm done with impulse entries. Yeah. You're done with them. Yeah, to be honest with you, the impulse entries, it's just been this month really so far, on GJ especially. GJ especially. Okay, 50 minutes made some support over here, nice. So now we just got a little bit of a zone, right? Yesterday traded at NY was too early, lost 18 pips, and then it fucking flew 80 pips in 1 minute. Oh, what was that, Scarlet? What trade was that? Yesterday there was actually loads of opportunities that we looked at. It's just the issue was the stops are just massive. But like 16, 17 pips, I was actually ready to trigger. I'm pretty sure the trade that we took, how big was the stop? Was it like 14? And then when it started pushing, we moved it to 7.
Yeah.
Traveling trader, this month was full of no top wicks and bottom wicks. Yep. Especially at the start of the candles. Which is just, with the way that I trade especially, that's just completely the inverse of what you want. Oh shit.
And yesterday, remember on GJ, the 2 hour after that retracement, I said we'll get the double bottom, and then we should touch the descending trend line for the 3rd time.
Yeah.
To the T, mate. Everything.
Yeah, it's nice. 22 pips for a 36 pip gain. Yeah, I'm fucking doing that. Yeah. Imagine starting trading though, like this month, and like getting used to these no top wicks and bottom wicks and just taking sells when they break the lows. Oh my god. When the top wicks come back, you're gonna get slaughtered. You'd be like, what? Why did you whip me out 15 pips? Like, because it's the top wick boy. Bro, you said GJ news is easy to trade because it don't retrace, but look at today's news and retracements. Yeah, that's Asian. I'd say for the most part, when I've seen GBP, so you know, Great Britain's interest rates when they come out, it's very, very simple. It's very one direction, which is nice. That's why I like it. Yeah, it's one direction. It's very easy. It's very nice. Take a look over here. And yesterday on GJ, the 5-minute candles were 20 pips, man. Crazy volume. Yeah, that's what we got on. We took the bullet. I wasn't sitting there for another session not taking a trade if there's one there, man. So we waited for the 5-minute closure above, and yeah, we took it. What's your entry in gold? We'll see, man. If a 5-minute close is bullish above, then I'm going to take the break of the high. Because I know if we break this here, we're going to push into this area. So maybe an impulse as well. We'll see. I'll see the score. 3 minutes got a lot of time. Yeah. It's the best time to learn trading when it's hard. The more lessons I learn, the only patience needed. Yeah, exactly. For sure, the best time to learn with it as a new trader is the hard times. For sure, price isn't moving nicely.
Yes, bro. That's how the shots are.
I'm tired, man. I've been up early, mate.
I bet you have.
No, I dropped the wife at the airport at like 5:30.
Ah.
So I've been up from like 3. So I've been up for 5 hours already.
Bachelor. Whole week of freedom, eh?
Yeah, my man.
First day he's ever gotten up early, too.
It's tough at the top, Finn.
I bet it is. I bet it is.
No cocktails will be harmed in the next 10 days. Only real drinks.
I'll be harming some tomorrow.
Yeah, that's why I'm cutting my lawn today during New York. Because last Sunday I was planning on mowing the lawn because it's nice weather and we had a light breeze, so no mosquitoes. And then Finn started sending pictures of cocktails. I was like, ooh, I could go for one. And I started drinking Bloody Mary. And then the day after it started raining for 3 days, so the grass is like...
No way. you put off more in the lawn, have a cocktail. That's a great idea, to be fair. I'd do the same.
Yeah. I don't regret it, so...
Someone says, okay, let's take a look at this poll, right? So, 35% of people are in the negative this week. 18% are break even and 47% are positive.
That's not bad.
That's not bad, yeah. 35%. I mean, some will be lying.
Seems a bit sketchy.
Some will be lying, but I mean... yeah, it depends. To be fair, if you're just trading with streamers, who would you be watching this week? I mean, Lindsay. I think Lindsay's taken. She only
She's
started.
also hasn't taken many.
Yeah. I think she's taken.
She's taken very little.
This month she's taken very, very small amounts. So yeah, yesterday she took minus 13 pips on gold and then plus 10 pips on gold. Okay, 3 wins, 3 losses. So. Yeah, and then maybe if you look at like DC or someone, I think DC is kind of the same. He's taking quite a lot, kind of like a mixed bag of results. I think, and that's just being from aggressive in these things. You know, you can be aggressive and it works out nicely, man. Yeah. Where's the poll art on YouTube, my man? Actually, can we take this W pattern? I have no idea what you've just done here. Oh, you kind of got the retest. It's a bit further down. I think this is really, yeah. I think so. Moses is really wanting this 5-minute trend line webinar. I am not capable of doing it because I'm still fucking learning it. So
babypips.com. It has everything.
Oh wow, wicked. Oh, that's good then. Oh, look at GJ.
Holy shit!
I got tapped. My runner got tapped.
No. Oh, that's
Literally bad.
Oh mate.
Dude, what the fuck? Give me something. That means
It's gonna be news.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that just fucked
It
people
was
in the
definitely
ass.
news.
That just.
Wait,
News.
whoever impulsed that.
Oh, it's got 25 to draw down in a minute. Oh, like watch our
The shit
YouTube
show.
watch our YouTube poll now. Is your week negative like 50% now? Everyone took impulse sells there. How long do you have to take profits there? Yeah, you didn't have long.
Oh, mate.
You had a couple
Like a
seconds.
second.
Yeah, nothing.
Oh god.
Mate, she's just scary, man.
Yeah, but
Scary right now.
it's yen news, eh?
Yeah.
That wasn't that. Yeah, but that's not till. Isn't that till 9:30?
Yeah, it's now. It was just flipping 9 minutes ago, mate.
Yeah, but it's all day because they're doing a
Yeah,
press
10 to
conference
15,
and
for
nobody
sure.
knew
Oh
when
right,
it's-
okay, yeah. So
the news coming out. So
how's Bitcoin? Fuck, it's still fucking going.
Is it?
Hovering again.
That's what I was
Hovering.
checking. Jeez. 20.
Bitcoin's just
God,
on the rise
yeah,
and I'm not
hasn't
getting the next.
God, it hasn't retraced a lot, has it? Fuck me. I'm really
the
looking
Bank
into
of
these.
Japan
pairs.
came.
Huh?
Yeah, sorry. Sorry. The Bank of Japan just came out with a statement saying that CPI is likely to be around 2% for the time being.
Yeah.
But their economy is stuck. I mean, they've been trying to fix it, but they're just buying bonds. I mean, I think over the year they bought like $1 trillion in bonds, and it's still not moving the way they want it to be. So they're
Shit.
kind of, yeah, they're done for.
Yeah.
Because they also have high petrol prices and stuff, so the whole economy is getting stuck more and more. So the yen is gonna come down even more.
I got smacked on AJ with an early entry.
Shit.
Oh, shit. Oh, is this top wick just fucked in the ass? Only 9 pips. Fuck. 30 pip drop.
That was a very stressful 9 pips when it just goes.
Yeah. Like, oh. You hold it on. You're like, oh
It's a
my
dog
god.
show.
Yeah.
It's a dog show.
BOJ interest rates were supposed to be at 4, but they released the numbers at 3.43. What sort of time is it? God, yeah, the Bitcoin is not. It's not It's not even retracing him right now. Like, oh my god. There'll soon be like some pictures of people's like accounts like fucking. It's like 40% down in like a week. Oh my god. Like 30% down, I think. Let's take a look here at the daily. Oh, look at the daily close. Fuck. Oh, mate, if this is GG, I'll be fucking ready to balls deep sell this down. Oh my god, look at rejection wicks, price is now closed. Fill that wick. So, yeah, your hopes for a little bit of buys over here have gone. That breaks that low there.
Yesterday on GJ, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yesterday on GJ, if you go to the, I think it was the 4 hour, if you took a 20 pip stop, you would have gotten 100 pips.
Wow. On the 4 hour.
Flip of the 4 hour, 20 pip. If you just ran a 20 pip stop, you would have been safe.
Wow.
There at the bottom, the next one after the support.
There.
Right there, yeah.
Yeah.
20 pips. If you had 20 pip stop, you would have had 100 pips.
Yeah. So actually, the video I'm going to probably do this week, guys, before I go to lead, is the trade that we got into yesterday on GJ was, we actually didn't know at the time, we actually saw it after, which was a bit annoying because we probably would have held it on. It was the 4 hour break of previous high, it was the hourly break of previous high, I think of that. It was the 30-minute break of previous high, and it was the 50-minute break of previous high. So every single time frame. We know in simulations when this happens, you get a nice push. And we did. Oh, but we just got tapped out by 1 pip. What a twat. How bullshit is that? I bought Bitcoin at 55k, still holding. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a real forex trader. He doesn't give a shit.
Yeah.
He keeps holding.
That's like
Wow.
That's like buying, like, you think you're buying like a driving license, but you've just got a fucking Legoland driving license. It's like, oh, it's just fucking useless. It's like shit. GJ sell? I'm not touching GJ right now until this news kind of relaxes over here.
Yeah. Into the rejection week.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
And rejecting 164-ish. So.
What, the neckline?
Well, 164, and obviously it's closed above 250, and now we're hovering on 500, right? So you could see bullish pressure there.
It's got that a 5-minute zone as well. Staying between that and 164.
And you're like mid-range of Asian.
I can't. Can anyone find a little trend line on the 5-minute here for me? Because you'd have to use them up here. But would you use that one, that one, that one, that one, or that one?
Vincent's got a good one.
Have you got a good one,
He's got a
Vince?
wider.
He's got more channel than a trend line.
Yeah, I don't know if he's here. Is he here? He's basically got.
He went from this.
And then so sorry, yeah.
Yeah,
So
okay.
That to that.
Yeah.
To make it
It's in the chat.
Okay, let's take a look. Yeah. It looks good to break above, but you just gotta wait for the little closure. Looks good though. 15-minute closed bearish, so yeah, it's not ready yet, but I still think, I mean, maybe in this 30, maybe later on, maybe at 8 o'clock we'll get it, maybe a drive. Maybe it'll be at 9 o'clock, we'll have to see. So did anyone try and take these little GJ impulses? I wonder how that would have won. Over here. 48 likes, guys. Make sure to like up the stream. I know that there's been no trades taken apart from one this week. They've all been NY. That's just how the cookie crumbles.
Yeah, it's weird, eh?
Yeah, it's mad. It's how the cookie crumbles. But actually, this week so far, I think the win rate has probably been higher than most people's, to be honest. I think people have had, yeah, because of the gold, the little gold trades we've taken, the GJ one at the end there. I wish I just left that GJ. If I left that AJ one on, I went to 10 pips. Take a look. Yeah, so that would have been a. Oh shit. Yeah, 3.9. 4% was nice. So yeah, 4% a week isn't bad at all, especially with the way it was moving. Nice one. Yeah, I've got an alert over here on Bitcoin. That'll be easy to see. Sells on gold. Yeah, 4 hours reflipping, go for it. My only issue for me is the daily's got no top wick, and the last daily closed very, very strong bullish, so I'm not going to be looking for sells on gold. It's just my little thing that I have on gold. I like keeping with the trend on gold, and right now it's bullish, and it's rejected the lows. So I'd rather getting in here with the buys somewhere, and then ride it, flip this, and then continue to 1871. Yeah. How does this look like in the 15 to the left? Yeah. It's good, man. Buy stop still valid? No, I've taken the buy stops off my line. I took them off straight away after the 5-minute broke below the previous. I thought after this 5-minute candle close like this, rejecting the lows, this one could break the high, close bullish in this area, and I'd rather just get in there with stop loss below. But we made the lower wick and then couldn't flip back. Sells on gold will be very short lasting? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Very, very true. So yes, just 35% negative, 46%. Now I wonder how much negative people are actually in, because I know there'll be some people who've blown half their account. Trust me, I've done it as well. I've done it more than you could probably ever imagine.
Did you have a bad start? A really bad start?
Yeah, man.
Hectic.
I'd blow an account every week, pretty much. It'd always happen on the Friday.
Shit.
Yeah, that's bad. Which is funny now because I was so risky at the time, and now I'm very risk averse, more than most people, to be honest. But I think that's just the thing for it. I'm up 22%. Nice. I accidentally made 1.5% on GG during the news, and I didn't know it was news. Oh god.
Oh god. I could have gone wrong.
Yeah, that could have gone very wrong. Oh my god, look at GG. 4 hours flipping. Look at the 4-hour time frame now. This looks good for a buy. 8 minutes left until 8 o'clock. Could be good. But to be honest with you, if this 8 o'clock closes and then the price doesn't make a lower wick and continues bullish, that's also great. I don't really care anymore. I think I've lost all emotion this week on GG, giving me bottom wicks. I literally couldn't care less now. The Asian price has been, wow, yeah, 270 pips. Damn. Yesterday's day moved so much, like just up and down. It was mad.
Too much.
So looking at our entry yesterday, was there any other examples where we could have gone in a bit earlier? So we got in like, where the fuck did we get in? In here? Yeah, we got in like, we got in here. Yeah. So an example, double bottom, bullish closing. Maybe that closure was quite nice.
Probably the celery. You guys call that most celery.
Yeah, where? Here?
Just below, yeah.
Your stop loss is massive. It's you get in on the break of the high, so it'd be 46, 43 pips. Yeah, fuck that. I think if that closure there, and then that bottom wick, I kind of wanted the bottom wick to there for the retracement. Let's just take a look how that looked like at 1 o'clock on the 5 minutes. So 1 o'clock price, yeah, it didn't really come back here. And then we started pushing up. That 5 minute bullish closure above was alright. If you got in there, yeah, 20 pips stop, come to the highs, it'd be 52 pips. Wasn't too bad after that nice rejection. It's kind of like that thing, that pattern that I've been seeing as well, right? Like the kind of double bottoms, the prices came down, it's rejected, prices came up, it's made a support. To then maybe
especially when it comes from high time frame.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's the 4 hour, like the 4 hour time frame.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. Here. Right. So looking like Goldie at the moment is coming back down. Interesting. People taking the sells. Good luck. Good luck. Hourly's rejecting. So looks alright. 4 hours bearish now, and the daily's still bearish. I just think they're not long lasting, right? If you take a look at the daily time frame, for me I see too many supports, too many rejection wicks right here. With also the fact that the last candle closed bullish, this one doesn't have a top wick. You know, it's got to make the lower wick somewhere, right? And this area here is probably the best place to make it. So That's the only thing that's putting me off. So I always look at the higher time frames just to see where they're at, and then it kind of gives me the confidence in one direction more than the other, and then I kind of just stick with it, especially on gold. Max, we can barely hear you. Let me just take a look over here. Really? It's loud enough. I'm checking. Maybe just turn your volume up, man. Turn the volume up, boy. Audio is fine. Okay, yes, it's definitely that. Let's take a look at the poll now. Yeah, still 35% negative. 47. Okay. So 4 minutes left for GJ. Interesting. Interesting. Now it's better. Nice. I didn't change anything. Let's try to get to 100 likes before 8 o'clock, guys. Win up them likes. And hopefully next week we're going to have some nice ass trades. Why would gold price drop if it's usually used as an information hedge? Yeah, that's good. That's a good point. I'd go look at Kerwin. Not Kerwin. Capital Hungry. What do you call Kerwin? He talks about it quite a lot. It's pretty good. Capital Hungry is his name. Yeah. So 3 minutes left. Let's look at Goldie now. Goldie's pushing back. Let's look at AJ. AJ looks okay. Goldie looks. GJ looks okay as well. I do want a closure above over here. 5 minute time frame has tapped 929. Rejected a little bit. If you have a win and you lose it on the second trade, will you take a third trade if you see an opportunity? Yeah. It's only when you have 2 losers in a row. Or 2 losers in a day. If there's 2 losers in a day, then I'm done. Yeah, that kind of helps me out. 2 losers in a day. So my maximum loss in a day, if I didn't even manage risk on 2 GJ full trades, would be like 2.8%. But I always manage risk, and I barely take 2 trades in a row. Yeah. So later on, guys, simulation session, we are going through the gold retests. We're going to look through them and the simulation. So if you guys do want to join the mentorship, this is probably a good time to do it, because we're going to go through that. We're also going to do a webinar about it very, very soon. And I know a lot of people have been asking about it on Instagram especially, because we've been smashing it recently on it. So we've been working quite nicely. Did you take a funded account? I did funded talent for 9 months. Yeah. Yeah. GJ's right in this zone. When is London open? In 2 minutes. Have you ever got more losses than wins and break-evens in a month? No. Nope. In a week, yeah, for sure. Maybe, like, not too many, though, to be honest. Maybe, like, especially recently, maybe, like, once or twice in the past, like, 6 months. 7 months. A bad week is normally a break-even week, or like minus 0.5% or whatever. So right now, oh shit, I need to change that one again, sorry. Just get rid of this one. For the gulag, it said that if you don't like the stream, you'll not be able to see it next week. Okay, 40 seconds left. How does funded account work? Do you have a certain percentage and a certain amount of time to get approved? Yeah. But if you break even for this time, you normally get an increased time of it. But yeah, it's something like 10%. Max daily drawdowns 5%. Max full drawdowns 10%. That's what it is. That's all it is. I forgot, how many subscribers are we on right now? Let's take a look over here. 6,590. If you guys haven't subscribed, it takes 2 seconds. Whack on that subscriber button. Oh, Goldie's coming down. GJ's in the zone. 50-minute close bearish on a Goldie. Still look at the hourly time frame. Hourly close bearish. Nice. I'm still very bullish on gold, so. Such a garbage close. Yeah, on all of these. 30-minute close bullish though. That's nice. The hourly time frame also closed bullish. It looked quite good, man. Continued buys would be kind of nice to fill this wick again. 165446. So in the next 40 minutes or so, a closure above. Yeah, that would be kind of nice for me, I think. Yeah, I think that's what I'd want. That'll be pretty good. Okay. So yeah, closure. It's just in this little range over here. I wouldn't really take trades in this zone now. That's all good. Yeah. I'm still waiting for my buys above 1847. Oh yes. Is Jason in the building today? Jason took some cowboy trades yesterday, like holy shit.
He just got the gold, I think. So
Well,
just now.
what?
Yeah, the gold
On the
sell
5 minute?
Yeah, on the 5. Yeah. So when you retested the trend line, yeah, right there.
Oh, it's literally the same setup as Brian. Support here, retest the support, reflips, taking the sell there, stop us. Like that. Mate, too fire. Let me just put this up a little bit better. Let's look at the wicks. There we go. Yeah. I mean, even more so, right? Let's just say we didn't really want the retest and we just wanted to get in here on the flip. Let's take a look. Yeah, not enough. Just caught 18 pips on a gold sell. Nice. So the same thing here. Why would you not get on this one? That's what we talked about last time, didn't we? Sometimes you like the closure, you like the nice retest. There's also the next 15 closure. Next 15 closure. Done buying GJ. Ooh. Well, yeah. Done will go for it. Stops are gonna be like 37 pips or some shit. Let's take a look at AJ. That 15 minute. Looking like it's made a little bit of support. 30 minutes close bearish, 15 is bullish, so a little bit contradicting. Oh, where's my book? I need to drink my book. Just caught the 80. Yeah, that was nice, man. The little gold sells. I mean, the 5-minute time frame was probably the option on Goldie, I think. Yeah. I think the reason why I wouldn't have taken this area here is because it's very close to the hourly open, right? I think waiting for the hourly open would have been nicer. Break at the lows. Just got another break at the lows, and you'd have 15 pips. That's not too bad. What's GJ doing?
Playing games.
Kuroda is speaking. Be aware of GJ. Ah, someone in
Yeah.
Japan is speaking. Yeah, okay, that's fair enough. We'll leave that the fuck alone until it sorts itself out. Yeah, we'll see. The main question for this week: will Wicks return? Oh my god, imagine the new Star Wars movie, Return of the Wicks. I haven't even been able to get a retest trade yet on GJ because there's been no fucking top Wicks. I'm waiting for one. I'm like, come on. The end of May, there's quite a lot of them. GJ going up? Yeah, hopefully. There's someone speaking though, so a little bit cautious in that area. Oh man, that Bitcoin does not look good.
Looks good if you want to sell it on the daily.
Oh yeah. It looks very good if you want to sell it on the daily. So, I mean, a little thing here. If you actually did take this one with stop loss above, I'm trying to think because what I would have wanted to do is this includes bearish, then move my stops to the high, but maybe on the highs of the trend line might be a little bit more reasonable because I've seen it happen a lot. You know, tapping the trend line, so gives you like you have to waste another like 1 or 2 pips, but it's probably worth it. 2 pips spread on GJ and it's moving like crap. 5 pips down, 5 pips up, and so on. 2 pip spread? Oh yeah, it's actually quite big. Yeah, 2 pip spread on GJ. Just a little bit cautious. Someone is speaking as well, so if I know someone's speaking, I ain't taking fucking GJ right now. Thank you very much. I'm gonna keep my GJ trading nicely. Look, yeah, we are ready to ease policy further if needed. That's. Oh my god. Good morning, Max. Quadruple. Witching today will be crazy trading day. Yeah. Anyone listen to Drake's new Trash album? Oh, I haven't. Is no top wick a sign the institutions start messing with your strategy? Nope, not at all. Try not to think in that mindset. For me, it's just the way things are, right? It's the way it wants to move. It's just got a lot of, it's got a lot of volume, right? So if you think about things moving recently, GJ, because you know of all the things going around in the world, GJ moves when it wants to move. It'll range around, fuck around, and then you start seeing a massive candle, and the candle will just rip, right? So if you think about the candle ripping, why would it need to come and retest? It's just launching with the news going on. So it's just the way things are with the news. Phase 2 is the hard bit. Oh wow, GG, that goal you went nicely. Filled that 4-hour wick. Oh, I wonder if Jason, what Jason did over here. 27 pips. Tasty. Do you have any Bitcoin? Let's take a look. I don't actually have any Bitcoin. I don't think I do. No, I don't actually have any at the moment. Yeah, I don't have let's take a look. But like, please answer this. On gold 5-minute trend line, you just trend line, and once break, you enter on the touch of the trend line, and stops above wick candle. You don't care about bias. Nope, I do care about bias. That's why I didn't take this trade here. That's why I didn't take this 5-minute one here. Because for me, I was bullish on Goldie. Maybe not after that hourly goes bearish, but I was still bullish in my mindset. So I can't change it in 1 second. Like, do you care about 30-minute support and resistance? Yeah, but if what we're trying to do is on the 5-minute entries, it gets you an entry which is in the zone and not just on the breaks, so you get a much nicer zone. So I mean, thinking of it here, right? If you took these sells, let's just say you wanted the bearish sells. Let me just put this on over here. Like here, something like that. Okay. And then you took the sells once this candle opened over here and rejected with stop loss above, like this. Can you see now that you're already in the move? So you can take positions off at this support, but take a look at the 15. I know this is retraced a lot, but if price wanted to break these lows over here, people on the 50-minute and the 30-minute time frames will be getting ready to enter, but you've already entered right in the middle of the zone. So the probability that you stay in, if price continues down over here, right? The probability that your trade stays in for the runner later on when it does this and when it does this is much higher than someone getting in on the flips here, like there, okay? So what we're trying to say is getting in a little bit earlier, looking at the lower time frames for the move that you've been looking for in the 15 and 30 is going to be much greater. Because what's been happening recently on gold for me personally, in the past couple of months, is price, for example, let's just take a look here, 3 minutes left, price would close below here on the 50-minute time frame, or just before the 50-minute time frame closes. Sorry, it closed like this, right? It closed like that, and I go, well, it hasn't closed below. That's what I've been taught from Raji, close your belows at 1. This next candle would make a top wick and then fucking launch like this, and I go, well, great, I can't get in, I've missed the move. So how can you get in? Well, looking at the 5 minutes, getting in earlier positions over here, looking at the trends breaking a little bit earlier up in the zone means your stop loss to break even is so much safer for the runner. So that's why I've been focused on that. It's the same with the retest strategy with GJ as well. It looks quite good now.
What's up, mother suckers?
Hello, my Jason. You take them gold cells?
Sure, for sure.
So did you get in on the first closure, or did you get in on the retest?
Just go to the 5 minute quickly.
1 second, I'll just look at this trade in a second. We'll talk about it.
There's not a problem.
Yeah, I'll focus on GG.
Look at this, yeah. I'm also looking at it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So,
Tasty.
I'm not even gonna jinx it. I'm just not even gonna talk about it. But
Don't say a word.
You know what I'm saying.
A word.
Oh my god.
Just don't use any foul language.
I'm not saying anything if that's what you get. If you're pointing that at me, you prick. Oh, GJ. Come on, just do a forest. Just stay right there. Stay. Hold your horses. 35 seconds.
Oh, the stops are fucking
Good.
huge.
We'll just get in with a 40 pip stop. What do you reckon? Sit by.
Yeah, just 40 pips, man. Come on.
Yep. Just hit that buy, boy.
Ah.
Come on, give us the beauty wick.
Can't wait to get 50 pips out. Come on. Here we go. No, don't do it. Do it, son. Get down.
Where your stop's gonna be. GJ
my
breaking the
goodness.
highs again.
Get down, boy. Get down, boy. Get down. Get down. Yeah, boy. Get down.
Yes, drop. Sit. Get the fuck down.
Get the fuck down.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Fucking
pull
still
down a little
fucking
bit.
Calm down.
Slowly now,
17
mate.
pips.
Slowly, slowly.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls.
good luck with your fucking stop loss.
What's the stop loss?
I don't fucking know. I don't care either. I'm just gonna get in. Fucking sick of looking at the stop. I'm sick of that word. Oh, it looks nice, but the stop loss is too big. Who gives a fuck? Let's go. 30 pips
Get
right
in and
now.
let it run all day. Doesn't matter if you have a 50 pip stop.
Oh shit, 1 second. It's 124. 1 second. Beautiful. So, is the 30-minute closing as well? No, 30 minutes left. Nice retest to 931 would give it a 18 pip stop, so remember that. What you may have to do if it comes down to here and it gives you an 18 pip stop is you may have to get on the 5. I'm hoping this 5 minutes is just going to break over here. Right, I'm in.
I'm already in. I got it on the flip.
No way. Stop loss is 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Stop
Yeah,
loss to
boy.
be in 1
Push.
second.
Push your P.
Come on, run, kick, get up there.
Kick.
Cake.
Kick, you piece of shit.
All right, come on, 2 more pips. Oh, wrong way.
Wrong way.
I'm just so volatile. I'm too scared to put my stop loss to BE.
Yeah, you just gotta take the risk, man. Stops it if your lot size is too big though for the. I mean, it's 13 pip stops. It's okay.
I tell you
Oh,
what,
we're getting
I
a
took
stinker
lot
here.
of risk on this
Yeah.
because there's a 3-minute retest that we're tapping into right now, and it's giving me the fucking GB-jeeps.
Shut the fuck up, Sashin.
It's okay, there's enough volume in the market.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's
You
nice.
gotta push it through. It's okay.
Alright. I have my faith in you boys, alright?
Don't be a scaredy pants.
Yeah,
Hey, I'm
boy.
scared after this week,
It's
dude.
just gonna absolutely fly in a second.
It's gonna go, Finn. It's gonna go, Finn.
Hey, shake the 8 ball. Shake it.
Check 8 ball.
Get out.
Come on. Just get past this area.
This is very
Send
likely. Stacking.
Send it.
Stacking.
Fuck it.
Fucking send it!
Go.
Send it!
7. Come on. Come on, 7.
Up 9, 10.
Stop loss to break even.
9.
I am holding this.
Yeah, go for it if
Hold
you
it.
want.
Okay,
Oh,
oh yeah.
cross
There
custer.
There we go.
Sheesh!
Yeah, boys.
Nice.
That's how we do it.
That's a whole lot of gang shit.
Oh, bye.
That's a whole lot of gang shit. Finally, a trade with a bottom whip.
Ah, yeah, boys.
Yeah, Finny. Hold that thing.
Yeah,
Hold that shit.
thank you. No, I just closed partials at 20.
Good lad, good lad, Finn.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Finn.
I still got
Get some
11.
cocktails.
Run up the like squad, run up the W's in the chat over
This is gonna
here.
hit my full
Fuck
TP.
yeah.
This hits my full TP. We're on.
Yeah, boy.
Thank fuck for that. Boy.
Whole lot of look at this, 17
Shit,
pips over
quick.
here.
Even
Dubs in the
Elton's dogs
chat.
are
Let's
happy.
go.
Even the dog is celebrating, man.
Dogs are
Can
happy.
you blame it? We've fucking just sent an absolute monster. Sent an absolute monster! Yeah! Get up there! Oh my goodness!
That's great.
Fucking...
At least the morale's high again. It's all good. It's good stuff. Nice.
All he needed was a
can't even
top
tell you
wick.
how-
Sorry, a bottom wick. All he needed was a bottom wick. I'm telling you, this whole fucking week. Oh, it feels good.
Fucking
Holy.
shoulda held for longer, boys.
Hey, guys, I brought the volume, man. Come on. I told you guys I'm bringing the volume.
Oh, what the fuck have I done here? Oh wait, trades. Oh shit. What the fuck? Thank fuck for that. Jesus Christ.
Should have held full position. Oh well.
I closed at 20. It fucking ran from 12.
Yeah, I
12
closed
to
at
20. Nice.
22 or something.
I have my final take profit at 750. Just because Jason is always scared of 750.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
Yeah.
like shoot.
no, but it is 750. I closed full, eh? But 750 acts as a magnet right now. So also I think
Yeah.
it's Asian eyes
We'll definitely go to Asian Heights. The runner will definitely go there.
for sure.
Yeah,
For sure.
but it's only 10%, I believe. But still,
Exactly.
it's a nice added bonus if it goes that way.
500 is obviously unique psychological level. So if
Which
we
is a
can
raise.
close above 500, we will definitely continue.
Holy shit.
And this is why we get paid to wait. We've been waiting for this setup so long.
Yo, man, Vincent, I'm telling you, man. And it feels so good. You
Yeah.
make me feel so good. Better than I would by myself or if I were with somebody else.
It just felt like the biggest fucking stiffy ever. Looking at it felt like
Finn,
looking
I
at
love you,
Madison
you
Beer.
ginger. I love you, you
Oh,
ginger.
Ryan, I love you, you big bald man.
Oh, that's great.
I'm almost at a drawdown, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
You've been in that for
I've
a time.
fucking
mate.
almost come back.
Look at that.
Jordan King back at it.
Beautiful.
I am the drawdown king. The
Session
drawdown
coming
king
This is
is
God.
officially only
You know,
0.5%
you might
away. He's come back huge.
to break even.
Well,
Oh my.
So I
Holy
got
shit!
it
I
on
got.
the flip, eh? As we broke the high, I put my stop loss on that 5-minute wick, the 5-minute bottom wick.
Mm.
Then session was like, I see a 3-minute, and I was like, BE. Listen, then I go BE, and then.
Nah,
dude,
there's too much
I've
volume,
seen it
man.
turn on. I've seen it turn so many times that
Yeah.
I just wanted to say it. I want to see if I hadn't seen it turn, I wouldn't have said anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you have a volume indicator on your chart, when price keeps going up and the volume keeps falling up, it will break those minor levels.
Yeah.
What volume indicator?
Yeah.
Oh,
Just see, yeah.
interesting.
I mean, give it to the lens. Give that volume indicator to us. Come on.
Ooh,
It's
cream.
every single standard meta failure.
Yeah, it comes
Just-
on a normal chart.
Just
innit?
go to indicators, volumes,
volume.
issues,
Just
volumes.
Yeah.
It's on every single
Holy.
one.
Oh, I've slapped
My
my
God,
full
this is
TP. I
gone.
forgot to move it up.
I'm still holding my.
well.
I'm still holding my runner.
Yeah, me too. I'm
yeah.
up 34 pips.
Same.
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck,
so good on.
shame. I got 2.54% there. No, oh, bugger. I got in a little earlier than everyone else, and I was like,
Yeah, but it's
Oh, I
fine
don't know if anyone else
because
did
you
it on
have
the
the
flip.
volume.
I went into like 7 pips drawdown. I'm like, oh, fuck, so I just
Did you?
put my stop loss down.
What?
Wait,
It
what?
tapped me in and it just-
Week.
it tapped me in and just dropped. I'm like, oh no. So I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna rock 20 pips stop.
Yeah. Mate, well, I was at that stage that, you know what, I'm not even going to look at this fucking stop loss. I couldn't care less because it'll just make me put it off the chair. I'm just taking this fucking trade, man. I don't care. Sick of it. A whole week.
You had a stop loss, man. So
Yeah.
you
exactly.
had a stop loss. That is the main point. Like you had a risk threshold. So, and your stop loss made sense, and obviously you were gonna, as the trade was gonna progress, you were gonna manage it. You were gonna, you know. So
Yeah, I tell you what. When that candle when it opened didn't break the high and made a bottom wick, it was literally an absolute sigh of relief. I haven't seen that happen all fucking month. I literally haven't seen that happen once on GJ this month.
I think listen, today's Friday, so it's your birthday on Sunday, so I think GJ just sensed that, man. You know, let
I don't know, hold on. DJ doesn't give a fuck about that.
Hey, man, speak like that. Don't say that to GJ.
So I haven't closed full yet. I'm still holding. May try and hold this a little longer over here. To look at how the 4 hours going now, yeah, I think to 165, 870 would be kind of nice. 750 as well is a good target for people saying, yeah.
750, 500. You first need to get past 500 before you can get to 750.
So, do you see, guys, like, the whole thing of this week, and I know it's very, very boring, and it's probably better to go on someone else's stream when price is like this, because it's so boring on mine, because I didn't take any trades. But the reason is because I didn't take the trades that, you know, that were a bit aggressive or whatever, because look now, man, if I, let me just put this on. Now, I've just, from being safe and being, you know, nice, if this closes at 25, then I've made this week. I also took that gold trade as well, but just because I was patient and waited for the one setup that I wanted, I've changed my week from like a 3% winning week to a 6%. Just by being patient. You know, I sat here all stream, bearing in mind, you know, I know that, you know, my stream has to be fun and engaging, and if there's no trades, it is a bit boring for, like, you know, for the days. So, but that's the thing, I know, I stuck to my guns, I waited patiently for the trades, and they paid out. And that's what you gotta do, so. Michael says he got it. Oh yes, mate. Michael's gonna be out of drawdown now. Fucking get in. Wow. Beautiful. At least you know how to show patience when the conditions don't correspond to your rules. That's important for newbies. Yeah, exactly. That's what I've stick to, right? That's what I wanted to stick to. Just got my 300k challenge out. Oh, beautiful. Now it's starting to make the money, right? Now we're gonna start to make the money, right? Yeah, beautiful.
Okay, Matchy, let's go to that goal since we got our stanker.
Oh, mate, the buy's coming back. Oh, yeah, let me see to the 5, yeah.
So if you can just make your candles a bit longer.
Yeah.
So this is what I did. So I was obviously waiting for the break below, right?
Mhm.
The trend line. I got that. Then it literally mirrored what happened in Brian's trade yesterday, where I waited for the untested area to get tapped. So upon the tap of that, I got in.
Oh, you actually got on the top of it. Wow.
So it was like 5 minutes before the new hourly candle. I got in, and then in the last few seconds we rejected. I was like, yeah, open candle, like immediately.
Max loves that. Max loves that.
Listen, so immediately it just tagged out.
So Jay, it's just because I know people are just learning this, and I can see why they'd get confused. Why didn't you take 1 second? Why didn't you take this closure here with stop loss above there or on the top wick? So let's just do it there.
Because there's an untested area.
Yeah,
like
beautiful.
The one I just drew.
So yeah.
It's untested, so it acts as a magnet. So price, just like Session said, there's an untested 3 minute. You understand? So what price tends to do? Price tends to retest that area if you don't have that level in there. So usually there was times where I would take that drawdown, but because Shashin is the one that actually showed me that, he showed me that untested magnets, that untested areas. So now I can see how price retraces to that area, and then reverses. It just reacts up immediately.
Yeah.
As soon as it taps into it, price rejects. So I spotted that, just like I mentioned yesterday with Brian's trade. Stinker, man. Yeah.
Stinker.
Lovely morning.
Oh,
Morning's been good to me, man.
I
Jeez.
needed that in London, man. I was like, bro, like, wait, there's just no bottom wicks. I just need a fucking bottom wick. That's all I need. That's all I need.
I reckon a lot of people just bought as it broke the high. They
Yeah.
took the risk, I think.
Oh yeah. I think yeah. We just.
I was actually watching the 5, like you see what we did yesterday during NY?
Yeah, it was the
watching the
same as
5.
that. It was breaking the 5 highs.
Yeah,
I liked
exactly
it.
the same
Yeah.
happened yesterday. The 5. So I was watching the 5. So my stop loss was actually on the 5-minute wick.
Mm. Wait for this one. Oh, 15's got no top wick. Fucking mate want to keep me in, bitch.
Get in again.
Come on, hold me.
Brian, don't give me ideas.
That's
I
right, the
already have
resistance,
three.
mate. Yeah.
I'm done.
Which ones did you take then, Brian? I know you took the GJ
GJ
cells here.
sell, gold sell, and the GJ buy.
Oh, you got the gold cell on this one, the same one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
You
so
actually
good of
got
you
it.
looking at that. That's sick.
It is. Like
I just want to do it because when Jason's not here, then I can also speak about it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. When you
So
guys,
I'll start taking more of them so that I also understand the bigger picture.
yeah. When you guys closed custom, must have been 20 pips. Must have been before 20 pips. Nah, I held mine on, man. I saw 12, and then I put TP1 hit in the chat, and then after I looked at my screen, and it was at 20 already.
Was it 20 already?
I was like, fucking great. It's great for me.
Traders' problems, eh?
Yeah.
Max, did you see that goal that we discussed yesterday? That 15-minute.
Yeah.
trend?
Yeah.
Daily?
I saw it.
Yeah, it worked exactly like that.
Mhm.
Yo, crazy.
It was nice.
Black Date is fire.
Magic key's not working for Steve to close 80% would have been a blessing this time. Yeah. I catch 35 pips on GJ, nice. I'm up 30% all thanks to FOMC. Oh wow, nice. How much did you risk then? I always like asking that question to people here. So if you're up 30% for FOMC, how much did you risk theoretically in that couple trades? Because if you also risk 30%, then you can easily lose that 30% next time. I always get that. I always see it on like Raja streams of some guys. Oh, I doubled my account this week. To go, did you now? Well, either you took an absolute stinking amount of fucking trades and some reason you're the next Warren Buffett, or you've risked 10% per trade and you've done all right. But you know, a bad week you're gonna give it back. So all that happens. All that happens. Make sure you like the stream, squad. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, a beautiful win over here. I know there hasn't been many, but NY session has been the one for me this week. 75% win rate this month, and actually it's pretty beefy now. I need to wait for this number to come out, but yeah, we'll see.
Did you take one entry on that, or did you snap a second?
Huh? No, I just did one. Yeah. Let's get rid of this. So GJ now, sorry, gold now is rejected. This looks pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna continue. 5 minutes closing. My only issue is I can't really take anything on the 5 because I can't really see the trend line because the left hand side for me looks a little bit. It's that thing that Vincent had, wasn't it? But it's kind of changed now because this was like here.
Yeah. So if you go back to, are you on the 5?
Mhm.
So he had one at this top wick, right? Like that.
Yeah, if this 5 minute closes over here, makes a low wick and breaks the high. 16 pips, 30 pip area. That'll be hourly breaking highs, 4-hour breaks of highs, 30-minute breaks, 15 as well. It looks pretty good, man. The only issue is I have a second to write a signal, and let's take a look at the gold on my MetaTrader. So your stop loss is going to be, take a look over here, 17 pips.
Put my gold markup in the chat.
Let's take a look at it, Vince. Yeah, so it's the closure. Yeah.
Those are bullish confirmation.
Yeah, I just don't have enough time to kind of get into this, unfortunately. Unless it messes around a little bit longer. No!
It still has to break out of a bit of an upward channel it's stuck in.
Oh, I'm strictly only taking that black tids, man. That black tids are fire.
Yeah.
The closures I leave to GJ, the support form I leave to GJ, you know. Man, go.
I'm gonna paper this, I think. I don't have enough time to write it and get it ready. Just gonna paper it.
Well, look, when you broke above and you know you got volume on your side, it should go.
So has it broke it yet? No, it hasn't. 1 sec. This is gonna be a paper trade.
Oh, guess who's back?
Back again.
Oh, I was waiting for someone to fucking.
Shady's back.
Hello, friend.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Guess who's back?
Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
Oh, I needed that bad.
Yeah. In it, I'd
Anything
be.
else, you need, boy? Anything else, my nigga?
Anything else? Yeah. I got another one of them tonight. Be fucking beautiful, actually.
Don't worry, you got it, mate.
Break the high, boy. Yeah, GJ got to tap that over here. Nice. So now we can update our trades taken. Okay, so the gold paper trade would be in now. Stop loss below the previous, 17 pips. This is a paper trade, I repeat. This is a paper trade. Okay, so, yeah, let's go to here. So let's just get the calculator out. Calculator. So 20 pips times 0.8. So 16. And then 0, yeah. So 16. Do. There we go. Nice. How long left? A minute left, doesn't look too good, right? GJ's coming all the way back into this area. Jeez. Back into the zone. 100 likes, guys. Amazing stuff. Make sure to like up the stream if you guys haven't already. Run it up, run it up. Run it up. $50 seconds left. Now it's gonna go. Watch this. Go, bitch! Let's look at this. How does the 30 look? 30's got 20 minutes left. Here we go. Another closure. Here we go. There's the rocket. We just stopped 20 pips in that trade. I think it was like 13, 14. So there you go, stop loss to break even. I actually did take this over here.
Yeah, me too, man.
Yeah, we knew you did.
I re-entered.
I was gonna say Vincent is definitely in that because he's been waiting all
I didn't get in at the start. I got in when it reflipped just then. So look on a minute. Here, I got in there.
Yeah, I got in on the high too,
Yeah, that's nice.
because I have this upward channel and it needed to go.
Yeah,
Upped it, went down, and I flipped that one.
yeah.
So.
Nice, man.
Nice.
That's
Nice gold trade as
That's
well.
why I like to draw my trend lines a bit longer,
Beautiful.
because the closer you draw on
the tighter it gets.
the more dangerous it gets, because if you have a very long trend line, it takes price in account over a few hours and not just half an hour or something. So if that trend line breaks, it's a stronger area to break, so chances are better it goes up.
So just a thing here as well, guys. So I mean, yeah, your stop was. I mean, I actually had my stop here 8 pips when we reflipped, and I closed positions at like 12. So like right at this left hand side, I saw on the 5 minute. So I do say sometimes paper trades, sometimes a minute, sometimes they're not. But that one there, to be honest with you, I actually wasn't going to take it until it went down here, and then it pushed with the volume. I was like, I'm fucking getting this. Well done everyone for taking it. Yeah, nice. Nice work. I'm gonna class that as a call. I won't put it on the spreadsheet, but I'm definitely fucking clashing it here. Trade's called.
Max was ready to call that trade, eh?
Yeah, it was nice, man. I'm in it also. Nice. I was not going to until it gave me the lower wick again and then broke it. I also closed at 12 pips. Nice, man. Very, very nice this week. So there you go. There you go, though. I mean, it's that whole thing of being patient. You literally see me today sit on my ass. I wake up every morning, 7 a.m. sharp. I mean, sometimes a little bit earlier. And I took fucking 1 trade this whole week until Friday, and I've taken 2 now. That one there would have actually worked out, but yeah. So overall this month so far, 75% win rate. And that is the percentage. I really want you guys to always focus on the percentage because it's really important. Because I could put in, I've made, it's like 7%. 7% in a month is not bad at all. I'm pretty much halfway near from May already. These fucking dogs, is it yours, Brian? Or is it Alfie's?
No, it's mine.
So we've got loud dogs, man.
He ain't a big dog either. He just thinks it.
Yeah. All talk, but when they get there in the real world, they'll shit themselves.
He goes mad at the postman. You open the door and he just runs off.
Yeah. Do you have Zooms? Yeah, man. We got Zooms over here. If you guys do want to join up on that, we got the link here. So just a little explanation of what you would have got this week if you joined. You would have got a lot of waiting around. Let's just say that. But it's for a reason, right? So
quality, not quantity.
yeah, exactly. So if you joined on Sunday, let's just this is just what I think. I think if you look at other people's, I think for me, I put in a lot of effort, right? So. Webinar over here, 50-minute long. That's quite a small webinar, normally like 25, 20. Trades taken, the weekly review. So I review every single trade taken from the week before. Then we had London session, blah blah blah. Took a nice Goldie trade over here. So in the space of the week, you've had 5 trades, 4 wins, 1 loss. You've had 1 simulation. We're doing the next one in an hour's time. These are an hour long each, by the way, an hour long each. So you get all the signals, as I said. You get the homework. We've got a homework review this week, which is really, really important. 30 minutes to show you how to mark your zones properly. And then obviously 10 live streams for about 10 quid, 12 quid. I'm pretty sure I'm the only streamer, maybe apart from Don, who actually does both. Well, more than 1 session. Don does Asian every so often. I don't think every other one slacks on one. I'm screaming. How can I find that spreadsheet? Let me just see if I can share this to you guys again, because I actually said that people could use it this time. So let me just put him as not a editor. Anyone else? Yeah, okay. 1 second. Share, copy link. Been away for a bit. Controller FX on a break. Controller FX ain't on no fucking break right now. I'm gonna have words with him because his girlfriend gonna be pissed. If I go, because I'm going to Spain with my girlfriend in July, if I'm on the charts anytime that holiday, she gonna be fucking pissed.
I will send her a PM. Don't you worry.
Mad. Can you send that link in the Telegram? Yeah.
GJ Longs. That's 10.
What?
Just now.
You got them?
Yeah, GJ buys on the 5.
No
Support.
way.
30 minute,
Support.
30-minute
Yeah.
retest with the 15
Nice.
coming down to retest.
And there's no top
Well, I'm
wick.
done.
Oh yeah, there's no
Lovely
top.
stuff. Because I went quarter risk on the first one. I was fucking annoyed. I was like, I'll get the next one.
You mean you went quiet? You mean you went
Yes, I
quiet?
went quiet because I fucking did quarter risk. And I was like, I'm getting a trade before the session. Full
Where
risk.
the
Fucking
fuck
bastards.
Done,
Yeah, so
bro.
the,
That was
as
nice,
so I saw the
man. Yeah.
15. So the 30 at the time.
Yeah.
Come down. We're still open on the 30. Retest on the 15. 5-minute strong close at the level. And then as it came up, made a bottom wick, came up again. I just took it on the 5.
Yeah.
5-minute stops.
Nice.
That's close for 11. Nice.
It's pretty gorgeous.
You were focused. I like that focus that you. Yo.
You know, fucking.
So
Yeah, it's that earlier one, man. It's fucking. It gets you. It gets your brain. You're like.
that's why sometimes it's good to miss a trade to get you in that focus mode, to just get you, you know,
Ready.
in that zone, man. Well done, boy.
Nice
Well,
one,
I think
Patel.
everyone got a piece of the pie today.
Patel, fire.
Shut up, Mr. 4 trades.
You're getting Arab money.
Hey, it's meant to be 33 degrees in the UK.
Oh yes, 2,000 the sunbeds last night. I don't need any more sun. I'm fucking crispy.
Gonna be sweaty one though.
Yeah. Control effects will wait for the far flip break and retest with a long bottom wick as a sign to ask his girlfriend to marry him. Oh god. He does not like vacation, man. I can just smell it on him. Like he's just like, can't wait to get back. No, 2 more days left. He's like counting down the days for it to fucking end. Like, bro, you need to chill out, Control. You're gonna burn yourself out, bro. Yeah, man. No bother. Okay, so I think 8:48. I mean, let's take a look. Anything else? Yeah, we'll stay on a little longer over here. A little bit longer. Oh, I watched Top Gear last night, and they're talking about. Let me just check how much a Testarossa is. Would love a white one, Miami Vice one.
Oak takes 1 trade and he's looking for cars again.
Yeah.
If you get a Testarossa, I'm leaving you in a mentorship.
Wow, I was looking at these in uni, first year uni, and they're about 70 grand, and I wanted to buy one to invest in my dad. Look at them now, fucking double.
It's my favorite. It's my favorite car.
Nice. Alright, let's take a look at the colors. Can they change the colors? Colors white. None. No way. That's mad. Miami Vice.
There's nothing wrong with the red, mate.
Yeah, I know. I quite like the black one actually. My dad's mate had a black one. But yeah, the red one's an OG. Yeah, that's nice.
I take a red one. I change the interior to black. I don't like the tan.
Yeah.
Interior.
Oh, wow,
It
look how
suits the era,
clean that
right?
is. Jesus Christ. That is well kept. If you see my dad's Lambo, it don't look like this because he actually fucking drives it.
Put it off in
Look
the
at that,
house.
4,000 miles. My dad's Lambo has like My dad's Lambo is the most mildest Countach I think in the UK. It might even be the world, to be honest. Drive your cars, man. Don't be a pussy. Bitcoin making the top wick of the day time frame to then flip break the low and go to zero. Oh, it's very close to tapping that wick, which is what Tom said. Yeah.
I wouldn't mind if it goes to zero soon, then I can buy.
Yeah.
Because you can't lose if it's at zero. And like it can't go lower than zero, can it?
No.
Oh, because I
Unless
will
it's,
be buying
unless it's
it.
oil. Unless it's oil futures, then they
Yeah.
can definitely go under zero.
Yeah. Futures is something else.
That was great. That I remember she like, how the fuck can it go zero? Like, oh god, you. Where's my dad going? Let's take a look. Oil's minus 40. What cars you drive? Got an Audi S1. But to be honest with you, it's kind of like in the near future, I would like something nice, but I also know that as time goes on, basically every time I get in the car, I hear about there's a recession and no one's got any money, and I've got money and it's a recession. It's kind of like, should I spend it on a fucking car, or maybe should I just invest it in like a house and stuff? I don't know. I always have that decision with me, and it kind of like, yeah, I do need a bit of fun eventually, but I think it'll be buying a nice car will be maybe like when I've got 10%, like when I've got 10 times of it in the bank. So if I'm buying,
So no car, you could buy like shares in with your dad.
I could with my dad, to be fair, because he's nice. But I mean,
Because
I'd
then you
rather-
could use that car. You know what I mean?
yeah, well, yeah, that's true. Yeah, that is true. But I think 10 times, like 10 times would be, you know, substantial, right? So you'd have like $1 million in the bank, and you could buy like $100,000 car. I think that's how it should be.
Yeah, because the S1's definitely a chick's car, mate.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's first car bought after 6-4. Wait till the price drops. Yeah. Why can't I fucking go back? Oh, that's why. Let's take a look at how much I mean, they're quite cheap, but I wonder if there's a Lotus Esprit. I'm not gonna lie. I look at my dad's Lotus, and it's gorgeous, man. Everything about it, the design of it, it's just delicious. Wait, I mean, get this.
Do
One.
you like the old stuff?
Yeah, I quite like the old style. I'm getting into it, man. I'm not gonna lie. For my birthday, I think I'm
Do you know what,
I'm buying
I
an
like
old
the,
tag, an old F1 tag that they used to wear in the F1 things. It's got like a red strap and shit. I like the old.
I like the 1976 Mustang. I think they're pretty.
Yeah, OG Mustang.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no white ones of them. Do you remember the James Bond car?
Is there any Honda NSX? Is there?
Oh, do you like them? I think they're so fucking overrated.
Yeah, but only the NSX I would take.
Look at this. I want that. I want a fucking white one. Oh yes, it's a submarine car, man. Look how sick that looks. I love the angles of it. It's sick. It's literally on the drive. I can see it. It's gorgeous.
It's a fucking piece of shit.
Ah, it's gorgeous, man. I like cars that are in movies and shit. I think that's why I like them. Find it enjoyable. Don't get married during a recession. What the fuck? Buy property, rent it out, use rent to lease car. Yeah, well that's what I've kind of done. Well, actually, the house that I just bought before, the rental income's like $550 a month, with like fees and shit. It's like with paying mortgage and stuff. I've got about $350 left. The place that I'm moving in with my lass is $450 a month. It's literally paying for my whole rent wherever I move. Well, in Leeds now. So That's the good thing about the whole housing thing. It's paying off the mortgage, and I've got when I move to Leeds, I'm not fucking paying rent. And then maybe in Leeds I'll try and buy another one, and then I've got 2 houses, and that'll be like that would be about like maybe £1,000 a month, and then I can move to London, and it won't cost me anything because it's about £1,000 a month for rent there.
But where
That's
do you think
it.
you'll go in London?
I'd go well, my last says like Fulham or Clapham. I say like it's kind of like young style. Probably people say it's good. I've never been, but it looks pretty good. I've seen pictures of it and stuff. Hold on to your cash and wait for long-term investments. With 6% inflation rates interest right now. But yeah, but to be honest, the thing that you got to look at is, I'll just look at Warren Buffett's company, right? And if you look right now, he has the highest amount of cash reserves he's ever had. So he isn't investing in anything because he just doesn't see any opportunities, and you know that's fair. If you look at his pie chart, like it's literally like 90-80% cash. He's just waiting for the next opportunity. So it isn't always best to just put, you know, in investments.
Are you still holding this on?
Oh no, I got hit out. I got a push, and then this fucking little candle wicked me out, which is retarded. I think I got a little bit slipped as well, but I just got my 13 pips and then 80% off. So yeah.
Yeah, I secured at that little area to the left.
Yeah. That's nice, man.
I've seen the 5 minutes play out a lot more recently.
Yeah.
I've been noticing it all the time.
Yeah, exactly.
It's nice to get one, you know.
Oh yes. That GJ move there, I just needed it. I've been waiting for that so long.
Yeah.
Yeah, just to restore a bit of faith. In it.
Well, just give me a fucking bomb wick, please. Waiting for
Mate,
it all week.
you've smashed the discipline this week.
Yeah.
Like,
No, it is true.
so many people.
Knowing
just
what
fucking
trades
triggered.
you actually get, and you get absolute stinkers rather than
Yeah.
shit trades.
I just wish I didn't pussy out that AJ trade. Then that would have been 100% win rate. And it would have been fucking nice. I don't know why I pussied out of it. Just because GJ didn't look nasty.
Basically 100% -1 pip.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's basic break even.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know why you jumped out of that trade though.
Yeah.
It was fucking around with it, so.
No, because we all think that they correlate, right? So they run
Yeah.
together.
Oh yeah, that was
Just the
the
day that
GJ
they
was
went
pushing up.
opposite, but-
Yeah.
Yeah.
GJ.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but that is true though, isn't it? You do feel uncomfortable.
It is true. I know for a fact if GJ was going down, then I would have held it in.
Yeah.
But it wasn't. It was fucking going up. Like, oh mate.
And it ran as well, innit, AJ? It actually ran.
Oh yeah, it did. It like actually smashed TV1 and then like continued. Yeah, it was nice. It was pretty good. So there we go. I mean, came back to the Asian highs. Haven't broke the Asian highs yet, but you know, we're pretty much there on the 15. Goldie did continue. I talked about it all morning. I wanted buys above here. I actually eventually did take it, which is good. Hey Maxi, I want to invest for long term. Do you think in bank is good for ING Bank is good for S&P 500? I have no idea. I don't really invest like that, to be honest. This S&P 500 bullshit, I don't know. I just think it's, I mean, over a long period of time, great, but I think.
If you put £50 a week in,
Oh yeah, like that. You know,
you're 30 years old, you have like $1 million.
yeah, that's exactly. Well, if it compounds 8% a month, 8% a year, right?
Yeah, like it's one of them things you do just to like pay for your kids and shit. or something.
Yeah, exactly.
You ain't gonna
Until the
get
dollar
mad for
comes
that.
crashing down.
Yeah.
I mean,
I kind of want to,
there's,
yeah.
another bubble now. So
Yeah, I'm just a bit cautious with that. I think the reason why is because my granddad lost all of his money to like 9/11. So then with 9/11, the market crashed and shit and things, and he just lost all of his fucking pension and stuff. So it's kind of just like, I think I'd rather just buy brick and mortar because I can always sell brick and mortar. Bricks and mortar is never going to be, you know, 40, 50, 60% decrease in a year, is it? Like it's,
So,
and if
even
not,
it
and if it does,
you
you got,
have to wait.
yeah, exactly. You know,
Yeah.
people need houses, so it's always going to be there.
Yeah, no, it's definitely better to have something like
Yeah. I think especially with this as a day job, like just doing this with the numbers on the screen, I'm sick of
Yeah,
putting.
I agree.
I want
What you said.
to, yeah, like I want to see my money in person. I already see my money fucking ticking on here on my screens. I want to have like physical objects now. Like it's kind of yeah. Yeah. So yeah, let's take a look here. Mine also ticks nicely. do. So I'm on an amazing streak today. 117 likes. Max continuous. I lose 4 trades. I feel depressed. Yeah, man. I think that sentence there, right? The one thing that I think about it is it's not the 4 losing trades, right? 4 losing trades, I feel depressed, right? The 4 losing trades is grand. Look over here, right? I mean, you know, it depends how much you've lost in each one. But anyway, let's just go to April, right? April. I took 3 losing trades in a row, okay? But it's the last bit of your sentence there. I feel very depressed. So your emotions are tied with your with your trading right now. And it's got to stop, right? Because look, if I felt depressed and I felt bad and I felt shit after these 3 losses, I wouldn't go on a 7-win streak after. I wouldn't make 37% in the next month, in this month. So I really think, you know, stop getting emotional about it. If you're emotional about it, it's because you're losing too much money that you can't lose, right? That's the only reason why, for me when I was younger, I got annoyed because I lost too much money that I didn't have in my bank. I was trading with £1,000 account with fucking 50 quid in my bank. Retarded. Put a small amount of the money that you earn in an account. I would say, right, if you work at like Nando's, let's say, or whatever, and you get a pay slip of a month, right, and you made £400, like £100 a week, just a little part-time thing. If you had £400 and you put that into your account, and now you've got £1,000, and maybe you take out, you know, 100 quid, 200 quid, and then just keep with that and stay with it. If that's too much, then still, you know, decrease it lower. I just think, stop getting emotional about it. Every single person that says anything emotional about the trades and stuff, it's in the question your answer. Just stop being emotional about it. By either looking at your losers, how did you go wrong? Do you think these lads in this chat over here sit with their losers and just forget about it and just sit and cry in a corner? No, they'll just go and look at it and go, what went wrong, right?
100%.
Yeah, then we swear a little, then we brush it off.
Yeah, they go, fuck's sake, I was a bit retarded there, and then they move on, and then, you know, they'll make sure it doesn't go better.
But it's very hard to get to that point.
Yeah.
That's why they say so many, 95% of all people who start trading don't make it.
Yeah.
Not because it's difficult to spot where price is going. Because if you can read, you can do a lot of studying and look at the charts and mark it all up. That's like 10% of the work. 90% is in your head, dealing with emotions, dealing with losses, but also not getting too euphoric about every single week. You can get euphoric like earlier today. It's been a whole fucking week. Yeah, of course you're gonna be euphoric if a trade goes finally, because you've been waiting almost a whole week to get that trade, even a whole bloody month to get that set up. So it's normal to get excited, but if you get that excited for every single winning trade, you're not in a good spot either, because then it's an adrenaline rush, and your brain is addicted to adrenaline. So it works both ways.
Exactly, and if you win,
very hard spot. It took me almost a year to get there.
Yeah.
So.
And if your wins are exciting and stuff, and you know, feeling euphoric, then your losers are gonna feel the opposite of that, and that's when it gets it.
That's when it puts you on a back foot for a long period of time.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Right, okay, I'm going to leave it off over here, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. It's been a great session. Lovely to see you guys. So, yeah, beautiful work. 75% this month so far.
Add my 2 cents. So
what
we also do is, I want to add my 2 cents.
Yeah.
So, like, what we also do is, like, when we go through the simulations, and we go through a certain week, we will go through the wins and the losses of that week and how we could improve on the loss that we took, even a better entry on the winners that we took.
Yeah.
So good as well. So it's also like training for the mind as well to get used to doing it on your own independently as well.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Sir.
Exactly. I think I'm gonna do the giveaway next week. Yeah, I'm gonna do the giveaway next week. I'm not gonna do it this week.
What you giving away, man?
Another magic keys.
I thought it was hoodies eventually. Jesus, guys.
Yeah, man. Gee, what about them hoodies, man?
I'll bring Stop Loss Matters Johnny's.
All your reused onesies.
That's great.
Yeah.
Right, see you later, squad. Peace out, man. I'll see you guys at 10 o'clock for the simulation, man. Adios, amigos. See you later, squad. Peace out. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube. Peace out. Before you leave, make sure you like the stream. We're back in here. Can I have the Excel spreadsheet? Yep. There you go. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, here's the link over here. I'd say now join next week, or maybe on like Saturday, Sunday. Sorry, the Saturday, Sunday this week, to get the whole of next week, etc. See you guys, man. Peace out. Adios, amigos. Much love.